Hi guys, Dr. Borthwick here. It was just to let you know that I thought I'd just do a couple of wee audios on these slides. Basically, it's writing formula can be a little bit tricky. I know there's a few videos on here, but I thought maybe just a wee personalised thing just to give you a wee heads up on this because writing formula is quite important. It's one of the basics of all chemistry. So just going through the slides here, when we get to this slide here about valencies, all you need to do is you need to look up your data booklet that I sent on Classroom already. Best page is page 6. So if you turn to page 6, you'll see it's a wee baby periodic table, and you're looking for the number of outer electrons. So this column here, you would put the number of outer electrons. So for example, you look at oxygen and you see that it has the last number says 2,6 for the electron arrangement. It's number 6 you would put in there. But problem is that it's not 6 unpaired electrons, because remember it's 4 groups of 2 electrons. So that means, sorry about that, that means there must be 2 unpaired electrons, because it's a bit like a minibus. It's got 8 seats, but they're 4 double seats. The first 4 electrons go into all the window sides, and then the next 2 would share, leaving only 2 poor electrons all by themselves. So there'd be a 2 there. So that means there's 2 electrons ready to bond. So that would be also 2. You want this column to be exactly the same as this column when you do that. Okay. Now, when we go down to writing formula here, I've given you 2 methods to write formula. There's either this arm bonding method, or there is the, doing the crossover method. Now, I'm going to show you both ways on here, just to give you a wee help. I don't mind which way you prefer. You can do either. This one is a video here, so it's going to show you how to do this method here. So, for example, you've got your valencies. So you've got the groups across the periodic table, 1 to 8. The valencies always go 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4 outer electrons. Then there's actually 5 outer electrons, 3 are unpaired. 6 outer electrons, 2 are unpaired. 7 outer electrons, 1 is unpaired. So for magnesium chloride, we take magnesium chloride. You take magnesium, and here we go, magnesium. Now it's got a valency of 2, so it's going to have 2 arms coming out of it. Chlorine has a valency of 1, so the chlorines only have, oops, that's not very good, 1 arm here. So you need to have both arms of everything covered, so you need 2 chlorines. Hence, that's why you've got MgCl2. Now, Mg, you never have the 1. So you have 1 Mg, so you normally put a 1 down there, but you never use a 1. And then you have Cl, 2 chlorines, and you put a 2 there. Okay. Now, I'm going to stop there for a minute, and I will record the next one for the next one.